Right, so this morning we're back at the working on the 1913 Jardine Co pipe organ. We've done quite a bit of work on it already. It's tubular pneumatic action, and we've had to replace the pneumatic motors on both the swell and the grate. We've done some work on the stop mechanism, re-leathered some bits in there, and we've been doing some work straightening out some collapsed reed pipe resonators, but the job we're looking at the moment is having a look at the tremulant, which is not working. So the tremulant is usually used with the Vox Humana stop to make a pulsing sound, but on this instrument we've just got a big air leak going on, so we're going to take a look at that and see what's happening. There we go, around inside the organ. Here we go, here's our little tremulant. Let's go in and take a look. You can see over here, spinning around, we've got the leather which has come off from the top plate. If I can get you right in. The leather there. If we can hold this down, give it a bit of adjustment. Get it doing what it should be doing. So what we're going to do now, we could re-leather the whole thing, but tremulants are a bit out of fashion, probably it's not going to get used very much, so we'll probably just have a go at gluing the leather back onto the wood and putting a little patch over the hole and see how that goes. So we're going to turn off the air on the organ and we're going to give that a bit of a glue now. Right, so the organ's all turned off now, and we've got some glue, and we're choosing to use white glue. Whichever glue you want to use is your choice on your organ, but this is just a temporary patch. Let's see how long that lasts. You can always replace it if it's used and if it doesn't last. Just hold that on for a bit till it tacks off. So we've got here just a bit of leather used for repairing the pneumatic motors, so a bit of leftover, and we're just going to pop that on as a patch around this corner where it's already come apart, and we'll just see if that how long that lasts for. So we'll just work that leather into the fold. There we go, that's all glued. We'll just leave that for half an hour or so to set. Make sure it's gone nice and hard, and then we'll check it. Right, so we've given the glue a time to go off, and we're going to go start the organ back up and see if it's working. Adjust it. See how much hard we want it. And then we'll go stop it and start it and make sure it starts by itself. It's a bit bangy. There we go. It's a bit more gentle. See how that sounds. So there we go, one temporary repair on the tremulant on a 1913 Jardine Co pipe organ. It's probably not going to get used very much, but we'll see how it works, see how long it lasts. It may need completely re-leathering in the future, but it's I don't have any of the leather at hand at the moment, and it's probably not going to get used very much, so we'll just see how it goes.